Okay, this is the loadout for the SPMC Veto Pro Pac. Got a kneeling pad, metal tough, vessel flip, slotted in Phillips, fat Sharpie, electrical tape, flip sockets, Klein, 14-in-1 hvac with the bits, Schrader tools in there. This extends, that's Klein, I really like that. This is the electronic vessel. I'm not crazy about that. I think that's underpowered. The American flag, made in USA, Klein, needle nose. Have a quick connect, the high sides in the truck. Got a 27-in-1 tech, low voltage with the bits in the back. I really like the bits in the back. I think that's a great design by Klein. The Fluke 902 SC. That's a pricey one, but it's a good meter. Inspection mirror, 11/32 dedicated, quarter dedicated, 5/16 dedicated, 2 adjustable wrenches, Klein strippers, Milwaukee rotor, Klein dikes, Knippets covers, Klein needle nose, Malco extension, M12 impact. I got a Cooper thermometer, a flex extension, got a measuring tape, a container with screws and miscellaneous stuff, railer, Allen 2-inch impact set, level, and another railer holding 3/8, 5/16 dedicated quarter bits. That's the SPMC. As you can see in all my Veto stuff, I take the V-swap panels out. I put the V-swap panel from another bag in there. I just really think that limits you on the space you have in a Veto. That's my loadout, and that's what I use every day to service work, HVAC, mostly residential. Thanks, y'all.